Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey, hi, welcome. My name is Taylor, but I also go by Nay, and if you love makeup, skincare, hygiene, this is the place for you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and let's get into the video. So today I'm going to do strawberry makeup, but the thing is, I keep seeing people use high-end products to create the strawberry makeup look. So I was like, let's do it drugstore. So we're going to get into it. First, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Impossible Primer. It's like an all-in-one primer. This primer is hydrating, moisturizing, pore filling. It's literally an everything primer. I forgot to do my eyebrows. Done. So I'm going in with the L'Oreal Tinted Serum. I'm trying to be careful because I don't want to spill none on this white shirt. Now I'm going with one of my favorite brushes that's been discontinued by BH Cosmetics. I always comment, y'all need to put this back, and they never listen. I'm trying to tell them, dude, this stuff looks so good. Look at that. Like, I've seen so many different variations of this look, and I want to do it the way I feel like I would actually wear this look. Now I'm going to be taking the CoverGirl TruBlend concealer, and we're just going to put a little teeny bit in the inner corner, and that's it. I'm just gonna let this sit for a little bit because it's already a really mattifying concealer, so I don't want to leave it on for too long or it's gonna be too hard to blend. I'm gonna take another brush from the same set and we're just gonna blend. Look, it already started to dry. Lord Jesus, help me. So for bronzer, I'm gonna take the Milani Liquid Contour Bronzer in the shade Toffee. This is my first time actually using this, so I feel like it's a pretty good shade. I have a question. Do you like long YouTube videos, like YouTube tutorials, or short ones? I try to make shorter ones. I know everybody has a long attention span, so I try to make them shorter, like 7 to 9 minutes long, just so I feel like most people can get through my video. Now I'm going with the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder to set underneath my eyes, and I'm in the shade 15. Put a little bit on that one. Not until my kids are in school, I feel like I'm gonna have more time to create content. So hopefully I can make at least 2 videos on YouTube a week. That's like my goal right now. And then once I get the hang of at least 2 videos a week, I do want to add like a third one on to have at least one every other day. I feel like that would be good. And I'm going to take that same powder just a little bit and just dab it on my contour areas. For powder bronzer, I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Powder Bronzer in the shade 500. And we're just going to bronze up the face. I want to learn how to do my makeup like the UK girlies. Like, is that just me? We're gonna go on with the Juvia's Place liquid blush in the shade Barbie Rose. I'm scared because these things is pigmented, baby. Pigmented. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in with the Blend Bunny Sugar and Grunge palette. And I'm just gonna take Gator Girl and Flannel together just to give me like a little teeny wash of color on my lids, because I plan on putting a shimmer right there. So that's more than a wash of color. Let's not go there, okay? I know it's a little more. But now I'm taking the NYX Glow Shot liquid eyeshadow. We're not putting on any highlighter. Next I'm going in with the e.l.f. Stay All Night setting spray. We're gonna drench our face in it. So when I see people doing this look, I've seen a lot of people not use lashes, and I'm just like, how can you not use a lash? Maybe because they have more lashes than I do, but I'm just like, I can't do that. I have to use lashes. Oops. And so for some liner, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place eyeliner in the shade Cocoa. And we're gonna use the Kiss and Press on lashes. Honestly, I probably am only gonna put like 3 clusters on just because I want it to look more youthful, and you just put the lashes on the bottom of your lash line. So I'm taking the LA Girls lip liner in the shade Chai Latte. I don't even want to say the name because this is my favorite lip liner, and I don't want y'all taking it, but I'm not a gatekeeper. And I'm going to take in the Milani Color Fetish Balm Lipstick in the shade Nylon. My eyeshadow isn't giving strawberry makeup. Okay, I'm going to change my eyeshadow. Okay, so the look wasn't what I pictured. So I took off the eyeshadow and the lip product. I'm going to put some shimmer back on my lids. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to take the blush that we used for my cheeks. We're going to use that as lipstick. This is Descendant color in the inner corner, in the inner part. I kind of feel like I want to make this an eyeliner, but I know it's not going to set. And for a little bit of gloss, I'm going to take the Lifter Gloss in the shade Petal from Maybelline, and I'm just going to dab just a little bit. This is the completed look. Like really cute and really subtle, but with a lot of pink. I'm not a fan of pink, but this is cute. This is cute. I like it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.